You are awesome in this place, mighty God. Lift your voice and sing with me. You are awesome in this place, Abba Father. You are worthy of our praise. To you our lives be raised. You are awesome in this place.